Right, we've got another key scratch in this door. Again, we're just going to give it a polish, wipe the paint in. Sometimes this is a very deep scratch, this one. Just a little bit of an explanation. We'll probably use like a medium silver or something. When it's a very deep scratch, this paint doesn't actually fill the scratch up. All it will do, it will just colour colour the whiteness of the scratch. By colouring the whiteness of the scratch, so it takes your eye off it. You know, what it is with a scratch, when somebody's walking around the car, their eyes are drawn to the whiteness of a scratch. So if you can darken that scratch, once you've darkened it, then you've done the job. So we're going to give it a quick polish first. We'll put this paint in. As I say, you can sometimes just touch it in, which might fill it up a bit more, but it takes a lot longer to dry. But let's just get it coloured and see how it looks. So we always polish it first, because some of the polishing may take out some of the scratch, so always give it a polish first. Okay, then we've got like a medium silver. It's a little bit coarse, this one, so, but we do have a fine silver in the kit as well. Again, just a little bit of paint and just wipe it into the scratch. I usually wipe one bit in, then put some more paint on.
I'll take it out in the program.
Again, so we've got the paint in, so we'll just give it a couple of minutes, we'll let it go dry. You'll soon know, because when you touch it, it'll feel like rock solid, so let's just give that a couple of minutes. Right, so we've left this a couple of minutes, you know, you can feel when it's dry. So again, we just a little bit of polish. You can see, like, this paint gets so hard, so it does take a little bit of pressure. I mean, don't worry that the door's a bit flimsy, just don't allow it to get too hot and it'll always just pop back. So I mean, that's not too bad at the moment. I mean, you can go with another coat, but basically with these scratches, if you stand up and look down on the scratches, they do disappear. But like if you stick your head down and you look at them from like below upwards, you're always going to see the scratch. But as long as the trick's been done, as long as you can't see it from walking around the car, then you know that a customer walking around the car to buy it isn't going to see the scratch, so you've done the job. So, but standing up, the scratch looks really good. So, but again, you can always see the depth of it. But as long as you've covered the whiteness of it, then that's the job done. So, we might put another one in a minute, but it's another good job, yeah.
Well, that's an absolutely fantastic job, Chris. I'm really pleased with that, and I reckon that's saving you about 150 quid. 'Cause you would have had to go to the paint shop, so I'm happy.